Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English lecture. Today, we are going to start with our English worksheet number 1. So, I request everyone to kindly remove your English 1 worksheet. The very first thing, you people have to write your name, division, roll number, and today's date. So, let's start with the worksheet. Children, you can see your worksheet. You can see textbook page number is given. So you are requested to kindly open your textbook page number 2. It is given from where your poem starts till where. So I hope everybody is on textbook page number 2. See, your passage starts from the first, second, third, fourth stanza. Your passage starts from the fourth stanza till the last line of the poem. That means the last 3 stanzas. Now you have to read these stanzas very carefully. Then give the answers for the questions which are given in your worksheet. So the very first thing, we will read out this extract. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. By B.J. Mobbizer. So children, now from this extract only you have to search the answers. So let's come to the first question. Question number 1. Read the following extract carefully and complete the activities. Question number A1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the extract. The first question is, when it is time to dash and begin again. Now children, you have to come to the poem from where we have to search the answer. If you see your poem, you can see the third line of the given stanza, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So I hope everybody got the answer here in these 2 lines. So your answer is, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Now let's come to question number B. To believe is to know we are never. Children, see your poem passage, stanzas. You can see the answer is there in this second stanza, first and the second line. To believe is to know that we are never alone. So your answer is alone. Now let's come to question number A2. Answer the following question. Question is, what should we do if we face disappointments? Now children, you only think that from this poem what we have learned from this poem, that whatever the situation is or whatever the difficulties we are coming through, whatever the disappointments or sufferings we are facing, we should always believe in ourselves. We should believe that we are strong and courageous to overcome any of the difficulties and shocks, and we should return to our normal lives again. So you can write this answer in your own words, but I will help you out here. Please write down the answer. The answer is, whenever we face disappointments or we may encounter failure, we should believe that we are strong and courageous to overcome any of the difficulties and shocks and return to our normal lives again. So children, let's come to question number A3, which is based on poetic device. Question number A3 is, identify and explain the figures of speech. The sentence is, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Children, you can see in this sentence, so many letters are repeated. For example, if you see the letter T, T for time, T for two, Then letter P. P for pick, P for pieces. Then you can see letter A and again. So like this, so many letters are repeated. And if you remember which figure of speech it is, very good. It is alliteration. Why it is alliteration? Because this sound of letter P, T and A have been repeated for poetic effect. So children, with this we complete our first part of our worksheet number 1, which was of the poem 1.1, A Time to Believe. Hope everybody understood how to solve the worksheets. Thank you.